founder and CEO, respected Devkar sir, president of institute, respected Devkar ma'am, treasurer of the institute, respected Ghadge sir, chairman of our school, respected Ghadge ma'am, secondary section coordinator, respected Kalpana ma'am, primary section principal, respected Riya ma'am, all teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students. Today we are gathered here for celebration of the August Revolution Day. The term revolution means the fundamental change in the political power of the organization, and this day is also known as Kranti Divas. The term Kranti stands for the revolution and Divas stand for the day. And Quit India movement declared on 9 August 1942, hence the movement is also called the India August movement. The Quit India movement or the August movement was the movement launched at the Bombay session of the All India Congress Committee, or more simplified by the Gandhi on 8 August 1942 during the World War II, demanding on the end of the British rule of India. The Cripsby Revolution had failed on the 8 August 1942. Gandhi made all call do or die in his Quit India speech delivered in Bombay at the Gwalior Tank Maidan. The All India Congress Committee launched a mass protest demanding what Gandhi called an orderly British withdrawal from India. The fruitful this movement did not come immediately, but in the way the movement was spirit of the freedom against Indian. The end of this movement, British authority were no more longer maintain the control over India. During this moment, the British regiment quickly arrested the Gandhiji and all the members of the party. In this period, Mahatma Gandhi lost his wife Kasturba Gandhi. When the Quit India movement was started on 9 August 1942, British police treated the mass brutally. At the time, Aruna Ashraf Ali hosted the Indian tricolor in the Gwalior Tank Maidan proudly. This was the first time when the tricolor was hosted. After the World War II, Labour Party won the election and captured the power in Britain. They took the initiative to transfer the power to the interim government led by the Pandit Nehru. India got the full independence on the 15th August 1947. So the Quit India movement has generated controversy at the time. Definitely, this movement is being considered as the one of the important milestones in Indian freedom fighter or movement of the force to Britain to hand over the power to Indian leaders. So on this day, let us salute those brave freedom fighters for their great sacrifices. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra.